Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Triana Imanda Herdiana. This time I will review a journal titled Knowledge of Australia's My Health Record and Factors Associated with Opting Out. Result from a national survey of the Australian general population and communities affected by HIV and sexually transmissible infection. Writer Martin Holt G1, James Majibon 1, Anthony K.G. Smith G1, Timothy Arbordi G1, Mark D. M. Davis 2, Christy I. Newman 30. Journal article consists of 5 parts: abstract, introduction, research method, result and discussion, acknowledgement. In the abstract section, I only got 4 points. 1. My health record is Australian National Digital Personal Health Record System. 2. All Australians have a record in this system unless they opt out. Concerns about privacy, security, and united data sharing, particularly in marginalized population, might inhibit its use. 3. We conducted a national online survey of Australia's attitude to digital health in April until June 2020. This analysis assessed that first, associated with greater knowledge of my health record and the likelihood of not opting out of the system. Dropping out of the system due to growing concerns about privacy and data misuse. We hypothesized that members of priority population would know more about and be more likely to opt out of the system. Next, the introduction section, there are 3 points: background, problem, purpose. Background is the Australian government introduction a national personal health record system in 2012. The problem is research conducted before and after the implementation of my health record suggested a range of issues that have affected rollout, similar to those observed in other countries with comparable personal health record systems. The purpose is the aim is for every Australian resident to have a secure digital record, gathering important information in one place such medical history, test results, and medication use. According to the Australian Digital Health Agency, the goal is to facilitate more effective care coordination for people with chronic conditions and comorbidities, and provide registered practitioners with access to the same health information, reducing the possibility of errors in prescribing and treatment. Next, there are research methods. We conducted a national online survey of Australian adults' engagement and attitudes towards digital health in April until June 2020. Eligible participants were people aged 18 years and up who live in Australia. The survey was developed in partnership with a range of community organizations representing people affected by or at risk of HIV and sexually transmitted infection, including ACON, Australian Federation of AIDS Organization, LGBT plus Health Australia, and Scarlet Alliance. Institutional ethics review and approval was obtained from the UNSW Human Research Ethics Committee. There are results and discussion. Result: a total of 2,100 people started the online survey. After excluding responses that were incomplete, missing, duplicate, or conflicting response, 2,040 eligible participants were included in the final sample, 76.9% completion rate. Most of the sample and closed on 1,463% was recruited through Qualtrics panels, the rest through organizational networks. Discussion will assess the knowledge of Australia's National Electronic Health Record System, My Health Record, and the likelihood of being excluded from samples of the general population and priority population affected by HIV and sexually transmitted infection. We found that most on the sample, 71.2%, know very little about My Health Record, while most participants, 70.6%, appreciate to have an active record. Less than a quarter of participants, 23.3%, had accessed their records, and a larger group, 29.4%, had chosen not to access or delete their records. Next, there are acknowledgements. We thank all participants for completing this survey. We are also grateful to the others, members of the research team and the project reference group, whose contribution made this research make possible in the challenging early months of the COVID-19 pandemic. In the Digital Hub project, funded by the Australian Government Department of Health. Alright, that's all. I can't say more or less. I'm sorry, would you like? Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for watching. See you.